In Europe, where the virus has hit the hardest, some countries are deciding to slowly ease their shutdowns. For example, Austria and Italy last week started to reopen thousands of shops selling non-essential goods. Italy, the worst affected nation in Europe, began to allow bookshops, launderettes, and shops selling children's clothes to open again, while Austria is allowing DIY stores, garden centres, and shops under 400 square metres to open. However, in both countries, strict social distancing rules remain, and people are still urged to stay at home whenever possible. Germany and the Czech Republic have also decided to reopen some small businesses. Denmark has reopened schools for children aged 11 and under, but further restrictions will remain in place until the 11th of May. Spain is allowing some workers to return to their jobs if they cannot work from home. These include builders, cleaners, and workers in factories. The UK and France will remain in lockdown for at least the next few weeks, although it's likely to be far longer than that. In the US, Donald Trump is pushing plans to relax the lockdown by the 1st of May. Individual states, however, can decide whether to ease their own restrictions. Some already have. In Florida, some areas have already been given the green light to reopen beaches with restricted hours. 3 beaches in Sydney have also reopened, after just 6 new cases were recorded in New South Wales in Australia. In Wuhan, the origin city of COVID-19, the lockdown was lifted on the 8th of April. Although Chinese statistics are likely unreliable, the authorities claim over 50,000 people were infected in Wuhan, with more than 3,800 people dying from the disease. Some reports from residents in Wuhan claim the death toll was more than 10 times that. Travel restrictions in the city ended, with people again being allowed to leave, although residents must be tested for the virus when arriving in Beijing, for example. And although the lockdown in Wuhan and other Chinese cities has ended, many restrictions remain in place and citizens are still urged to stay indoors. However, it is unlikely the world will truly go back to normal life until a vaccine is created or suitable medicine is available to treat COVID-19. Whilst economies may begin to slowly ease back to life, social distancing measures are likely to continue for months, maybe even more than a year.